I'm going to be looking at this DIVI phone cooler. Keep watching the video, I'll see how it does. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and on this channel we do vacation videos, product reviews, do-it-yourself videos, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I've got this DIVI fan cooler, and I'm really hoping it's going to cool my phone down. I'm currently using a Google Pixel 4 XL. The phone gets very hot during the summer days, and with the sun beating down, or even not with the sun, my phone tends to shut down during live streams. So I need something to cool the phone down. So I'm hoping that this is gonna do that, just that for me. If you're interested in getting some more information on this DIVI phone cooler, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video description for you to do that. So let's have a look at the box before I unbox it. On the side of the box here, it says it's mini mute, which means that it is a quiet operation. We've got strong heat dissipation. It's supposed to cool the entire phone. It runs and operates at 5,000 RPM. That's the fan on the internal. And it's got multi-dimensional cooling. So I'm going to open up the box, and we're going to take a look what's inside. Okay, so here's the front of the box. It's a DIVI phone cooler with clip, and apparently it is good to clip on almost any phone. Okay, so in the box here, this looks like our cooling device here. We've got our... Okay, let's turn this around. So we've got a power button and a light button. I believe it lights up with LED. In the back here, this is actually the part that cools your phone. It's almost like a rubber material that's going to press up against your phone. And of course, here's the adjustable bracket clip that's going to be used to clip onto your phone. It also comes with an extra mount, an extra little rubber mount. I guess if you wear that one down, we've got our operation instructions, and we have a cord. And when you're using these, you're gonna want to use it with like a power bank or some sort of power device so that you can keep it operation. It doesn't have a battery, so you're always gonna have this plugged in while you want to use it. So before I put it on my phone, I want to plug it in the power bank, and I want to test it out and feel how cool this device gets. Okay, so I should mention that this cord is very long. It comes with a 6-foot cord. That's really great, especially if you want to operate the phone cooler and you have the power bank in your pocket. It's long enough for you to do that. So I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to hit the power button. Okay, and of course the lights. There is some lights in there, and we can press that, turn that on and off. You can't hear it. I can't hear it at all, even when it's up barely up to my ear. So it's been operating for only like 5 seconds now, and this rubber here is actually extremely cold. The longer we're letting this run, the colder this is getting. It's almost like it feels like it's an ice cube, actually. It's that cold. I'll show you how to put it on your phone. It's quite simple. Just locate where you're going to be putting it on. So in my case, if I'm using a stand or a gimbal, my gimbal locks to place right here. These are the up and down volume buttons, but this won't disturb that. But that's where I like to put the phone cooler. And on the back, it's going to be keeping this area. It's going to be touching this area. So hopefully that dispenses the heat and cools down the phone. So to install it, I'm just gonna put the bottom of the phone in, press down, and push the phone back into place. And just make sure that that it's aligned inside, and that the rubber mounting thing is clipped, is level and touching your phone just as it is there. And I'll leave that for a few seconds and see if that's cooling the phone. It's about 28 degrees today. It is fairly hot, and we'll see. The phone was currently hot. I was outside in the sun, and we'll see if that cools down. So I've used this DIVI phone cooler, and it absolutely works amazing. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, you'll know that my past live streams have not gone down because this has been keeping the phone cool. And don't forget, I'm going to leave a link down below in the video description for you to get some more information about. So I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell, turn notifications on for all upcoming videos, share the video, like the video, and guys, we'll see you on the next video. JeffLepard.com. Take care.